Hi, my name is John Howard, and this is the Kahr Academy. Today I'll be talking to you about how to maintain your Kahr pistol. Maintenance is very important to ensure the durability and the reliability of your Kahr firearm. One of the first things that you should do after a range session is take a cloth that's lightly oiled and wipe down the exterior of the firearm, just to remove any dirt or debris that may have collected. This will preserve the firearm's finish and ensure functioning. If you look in the manual, it has detailed instructions on cleaning and lubrication. But the essential points for lubrication are to apply oil to the slide stop pin, to apply oil to the recoil spring, assembly, and guide rod, to apply oil to the exterior of the barrel and the barrel lug, and to take your slide and holding it vertically, apply oil to the slide rails, allowing the oil to run down the length of the slide rails. You can then reassemble your Kahr firearm and be assured that it will have reliable function. This has been the Kahr Academy. If you have any questions about Kahr products, please visit our website at www.kahr.com.